You've worked hard this past month, and it's time to access your money. Withdraw funds at any time from your Payoneer balance directly to your bank account in just a few simple steps. To get started, log into your Payoneer account. Go to Withdraw and then to Bank Account. If you have not yet added your bank account details, you'll see this page. Click Add New and follow the on-screen instructions. If you've already added your bank account, you can go ahead and enter the details of your withdrawal. Start by selecting the currency balance or card you want to withdraw from. Next, select the bank account you want to withdraw your funds to. Now enter the amount you want to withdraw. You'll notice that there is a minimum and maximum withdrawal amount. Finally, if you'd like, add a description. For example, June payments. After entering all required details, click Review. Review the details of your withdrawal and make sure everything is correct. If you need to change anything, click Edit and update the relevant field. After you're sure that all is correct, confirm the details and then click Withdraw. You'll see an on-screen confirmation of your withdrawal request. That's it. You'll receive an email confirming the withdrawal, and your money will generally arrive in your bank account within 3 to 5 business days of the confirmation email. For additional assistance, or if you have any questions, please go to www.payoneer.com. Click Help on our homepage, and then Customer Care.